These are the fudgiest brownies with the perfect creamy cream cheese frosting on top. Let me show you how I make these because you're going to want to try them. I add my brown sugar, white sugar, and melted butter to a bowl and get it all nice and smooth with a whisk. And then I throw in my eggs and I whisk those up too. You want to whisk until it gets fluffy and lightens up in color. Then I whisk in my vanilla. Then it's time to add in your dry ingredients. I like to sift mine in, so that's flour, cocoa powder, a little espresso powder, and salt. And then you just want to gently fold that in until the mixture comes together and you have your brownie batter. Now you add in your chocolate chips. You can add dark chocolate, semi-sweet, milk chocolate chips, whatever you like. And I hope you preheated your oven because it's time to put your brownie batter in the pan. Like I said, this batter is thick, but try to get it nice and smooth. And then it's ready to bake. And once your brownies are baked and cooled, you can get started on your cream cheese frosting. My favorite part. So for that, you'll just need some softened butter and softened cream cheese. Add in a little bit of vanilla and make sure it's all mixed in. And then you can add in your powdered sugar. Add this in gradually so it doesn't get everywhere. And once it's fully incorporated and your mixture is smooth, then your frosting is ready. All that's left is for you to slather this creamy frosting all over your cooled brownies, and then you can cut them into bars and enjoy. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves fudgy decadent brownies, but also loves the tangy flavor of cream cheese frosting. It's not overly sweet and it takes your typical fudgy brownie recipe up a notch. They're so good. So I think you guys are gonna love these brownies, but give them a try and let me know what you think. You can get the full recipe on my blog, ShanaeToday.com. Enjoy!